How to find What's Later playlist on YouTube. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll show you how to find your What's Later playlist on YouTube. Without further ado, let's begin. Open YouTube app on your mobile device. To save a video to What's Later, tap three dots next to the video and now select Save to What's Later. After that, tap your profile in bottom right corner of your screen. Navigate to the playlist section and tap on View All. Here you can find your What's Later section. So you need to tap on it and here you will see all your What's Later videos that you have saved on YouTube. So that's all for today. Now you can easily access your saved videos anytime. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.